Okay, we're here playing 5 questions with a Napa Valley Harvest intern. First question, what is your name?
My name is Charette Ho.
And second...
Yep, that's me. Shameless plug. You can definitely watch his interview with the Napa Valley Vintners at YouTube. But enough about me. Let's just embark on this journey that we have for the past 3 months at Amici Cellars for Harvest 2023. This year's harvest was a bit delayed, therefore we did some vineyard sampling as a team and understand our vineyards. Here are the roommates that live at Foothill Boulevard. First off, Abe, Grayson, and yes,
So busy.
of course there's me and Susan. This is our house, aka the intern party house, aka Rudy von Strasser's. God knows how many houses he owned. We had so much free time pre-harvest that we've gone on tastings. We have invited friends over for dinner and being serenaded by Abe that we didn't ask for. Excuse me, Dr. What is it, Dr. Abe? Pay close attention to this gentleman. I don't think we need to further introduce him. Now, after seeing all these clips, you might be asking yourself, are they here for partying or harvest? Only if we knew how our lives are going to change drastically when harvest starts.
1, 2, that you wanna.
Where's Phenom?
Sexy.
Look at that.
Looking husky. That's a whole cluster daddy right here.
Certified daddy.
So a typical fruit day to us is a big day where we start 5 a.m. in the morning. We first start weighing out the grapes, and then we build a successful assembling line where a person on the forklifter will dump all the grapes into a sorting table. People will sort the grapes, and the grapes fall into the stemmer, and then it eventually goes to the must pump, and the pump pumps it back into the tank for fermentation.
Woo. Y'all ain't know why, right? Let's go. No masterpiece. Hey. 10 bad bitches and they after me. Bad. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dunk like an athlete. Big drip, what you call it? Big drip. Ice chain, peeled water. Ice, ice, ice. You got the cab, but can't afford them. Cash. You got the bad, but can't afford them. Give me the beat, I ride it like a jet ski. Hey. Some of the bad bitches, they harassing me. They like me cause I rap and be with the athletes. Stop asking me, I know they mad at me.
A few
Pampavez.
later.
This is called doing a pump over, guys. You suck it from that line and all the way up here.
This is where Dante West, our winemaker, usually hangs out up at his office or driving around vineyards to sample grapes. And this is him sampling different wines to fabricate the brands that Amici has, like the Lima, No Curfew, and the Amici House Black.
Get the facial expression.
I may have a question. Say hi.
places. You can take out the screen first? No.
Oh.
Yeah. You feel it, baby? I can too. Come on, swing it. Come on, swing it. Come on, swing it. Come on, swing it.
Hey.
This day was absolutely the top 3 worst moments during harvest, whereas all the equipment broke down. First it was the crusher, and then second it was the stemmer, where we have to crush at least 10 tons of grapes, and it was on hold for 3 hours, and we had to call for help to fix. And it absolutely didn't help that it started pouring down rain and everyone got wet. Nevertheless, with an amazing team, we pushed through with great moral support.
Cheers.
Yo, it's about that time to bring forth the rhythm and the rhyme. I'ma get mine, so get yours. I wanna see sweat coming out your pores. On the house tip, a sound swinging. Strictly hip-hop, I ain't singing this.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.